Today we're making homemade rice noodles. We're going to serve them with our delicious Chinese beef stew. This is a simple shortcut recipe just for you.
So I'm going to make another batch of this steamed rice roll solution. So you put 1 cup of water in there. Hey, we're making steamed rice roll, chiang fun. So you need rice flour. So there's going to be 8 tablespoons of rice flour. The wheat starch that I have here. So this brand I use a lot. Put 8 tablespoons of wheat starch in there. So I got some tapioca starch. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in there. That's 1. And that's a generous one. So I'm just going to mix this up. Also going to add half a cup of hot water. I just boiled the water. So put about half a cup. Come on. Come on. So I've got the water boiling in the pot here. I'm going to use a tin pie plate here. So just heat it up for a second there. And put a little bit of oil. I use the peanut oil. So just brush the oil on the bottom there and around the side there a little bit. So the rice roll doesn't stick. You can actually put the oil before you put the pan in too if you like. So that should do it. So I like to use this ladle here. So I always use this ladle when I make steamed rice roll. It has the right amount for this pie plate. So I'm going to put 1 ladle of the rice solution in there. And then you put the cover back on and steam for, say, maybe 1 to 3 minutes, depending how hot your steamer is. So I'm going to take that off right now. So it's looking pretty good. So I'll let it cool off for a bit and then just take it off. It's turned out pretty good. I think you put a little hot water in there, actually binds it better. So that's what I'll be doing from now on. So I'm just going to put it on a plate here. So I'm afraid it might stick, so I just kind of spread it out a bit here. So it might stick, it might not. Probably won't stick. There's enough oil on it, but just in case, you never know. So a lot of the ingredients you need for recipes for Chinese cooking, it's all convenient here in a Chinese supermarket like this one here. Here we have some cooked flank tendon. So it's already been cooked, so you just need to put it in your recipe. So the supermarket has already cooked the beef here. So they've boiled it and they cut it to size. So it's pretty tender already, so you just need to put in all your ingredients and flavors. So that way you can cook this whole Chinese beef stew in half an hour or less. So put about 3 or 4 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. Got some slices of ginger I'm going to put in there. So it's pretty large slices. You got maybe half a dozen slices in there.
Put the beef in and add 4 to 5 cups of water.
So these are the main ingredients I'm going to put in. So I put the main ingredients in now. I have 3 star anise, 3 small bay leaves here. So bay leaves will tie all the flavors together.
Here I have half a dried Chinese mandarin orange peel.
So put about a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce. So next I'm going to put a brick of cane sugar, so roughly 3 tablespoons of sugar. If you don't have this, you can use brown sugar if you like. So this is cane sugar, so this is really good for making Chinese stew. I'm going to put a teaspoon of rock salt. You can use regular salt if you like, but I'll put the rock salt. It's a natural salt. So these are the flavors that I like. You can put other flavors in there too if you like, but this is what I like.
If you are putting daikon radish in your stew, put them in now because they take 30 or more minutes to cook. This stew only takes 20 to 30 minutes to cook, but if you want the beef more tender, just cook it a little longer. There you have it, a simple, fast way to make Chinese beef stew, which you can serve on noodles or rice. Enjoy. Now you can order the products and ingredients that I use in my cooking videos. Just click the link below in the description for the Chinese cooking accessory guide. You can order everything online, including the wok that I use and some of the equipment that I use. Thanks for checking out my video, and please give me a thumbs up, and be sure to check out some of my other videos on this channel, and please subscribe. If you get a chance, check out my other channel, the award-winning Chinese cooking channel.